In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a clickable Canva template link into a PDF using Canva. This is a super handy trick that makes your documents interactive, perfect for sharing templates, guides, or client resources. Let's jump right in. First, open up Canva and head to the design or document where you want to add your clickable link. Once you're in your project, locate the text or element that you'd like to turn into a hyperlink. This could be something like, "Click here to use this template," a phrase, or even a section of your page. After selecting your text, look towards the toolbar at the top of the Canva editor. Click the three dots menu, and from the options that appear, choose Link. You'll recognize it by the small chain link icon. Now, a small box will appear where you can paste your Canva template URL or any other link you'd like to share. Make sure your link is correct and fully functional. It's always a good idea to double-check it before continuing. Once you've pasted the link, click Done. That's it. Your text is now linked, and when someone clicks it in the PDF, it'll take them straight to your Canva template. Now, let's make sure it all works when downloaded as a PDF. Go to the top right corner of your screen and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Download. When the download settings appear, make sure the file type is set to PDF Standard. This version is perfect for documents that need to be shared online or via email. Then click Download again, and Canva will begin generating your file. Once it's ready, check your Downloads folder and open your PDF. Hover over the linked text, and you'll see the clickable link is active. Click it to test, and it should instantly open your Canva template or chosen web page. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable Canva template link into a PDF, all without leaving Canva. This little feature can really elevate your digital products, client guides, or online freebies by making them more interactive and user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and digital design tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.